So in the previous class, we can calculate only a continuous chain length. Now we want to calculate in the total chain length. So L is equal to, the formula is given in your data books. Refer the page number of 7.75. With the respective of L is equal to LP into pitch. So LP value is already calculated. So what is the value of LP? 17 into pitch 15.875. So the total length becomes 2839.6 in terms of mm. So this is the total chain length. Now we want to calculate in the step 1. So exact center value, actual center distance. So this is the formula is available in the same page number 7.75. So the formula becomes A is equal to E plus root of E squared minus 8m divided by 4 into pitch. We don't know the E factor. So E is equal to LP minus Z1 plus Z2 divided by 2. Then we another parameter is module. M is equal to Z2 minus Z1 divided by 2 pi the whole square. Now we are substituting those values in the respective formula. First we calculate the E value. E is equal to LP. LP's value is equal to 178.8 minus of Z1 value becomes 25 plus 78.75 divided by 2. The value of E is equal to, you just calculating this and separate from this value. 126.9 in terms of mm. Now we want to calculate in the next m value. So m is equal to Z2 becomes 78.75 minus 25 divided by 2 the whole square. So m is equal to 73.18 as 2. Am I right? So it is also comes under, it is only a T, so there is unitless. Now we want to check the standard module. Could you refer the page number of 7. Could you refer the page number of 7.76? So the ratio between module is equal to Z2 minus Z1. So 78 minus of 25 is equal to 53. So 53 is equal to 71.20. We take this as 54, 73.90. So it is nearest the same value. So it is a standard recommendation value. So now we want to substituting the E and M value in the above formula. So A is equal to E plus root of E squared minus 8 module divided by 4 into pitch. Now we are substituting those values as E is equal to 126.9 plus root of 126.9 whole square minus 8 into 73.2 divided by 4 into 15.875. Now you are subtracting and adding, and multiplying those values. What is the final answer? Nine 8 in terms of mm. Now you refer the center distance of value is equal to 1000. almost we are getting the same value from the actual center distances. Any doubt in this regarding?